Did not give. Good morning everyone, my name is Alia. I am studying in 7th grade. Today my topic is artificial blood.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sayeda Zoya. I am studying in 7th grade. My topic is science.
Hi sir, now why you did not come for those many days for school?
Earlier you don't know I was admitted in hospital from last.
Oh yeah, what the doctor said, you've been active?
Doctor said to the less presence of blood.
Oh, if you come near me, I was giving you a lot of blood.
You are joking with me and you give me a blood.
If I touch you, the blood is going to come. Give me your hand.
See down Alia, its blood is falling.
Yeah, I said you know, if I touch you, the blood is going to fall down. You have wasted a lot of amount near the doctor. Next time, come near me.
Yes, of course.